ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Usembon Menteri Rangba jong kejela uba Preston Tensong ubara election nong ba New Delhi dangshen uliat ho uba ulayo lat banyak kendo yang Menteri Ketenagaan Ministry of Road Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari ban pensngo halor ke jingdon kam Pisa jong ke Sarkar Meghalaya ban Shna yang ke Surok ba hapo kani kejela Meghalaya. Akan jingnya keren bat kilat pathai kubor uba Preston Tensong uliat ho manakal yang jong Nitin Gadkari ulakular ban mang Pisa Kumba Arspa Klur AA lingba ke Central Road Fund kenang banyo pensedang no mardor ya ke jing Shna pen bah ya ke Surok hapo kani ke jela Meghalaya. Aga jo ka por sembut Menteri Rangba ula pentip ru badangshen aga jingelang bat Menteri Ketenagaan Rural Development Ugiri Raj Singh kaladon ga jingya tai halor ka jing pentrai kam nya ka skim Shna Surok jong ka sarkar pedeng na ka Pradhan Menteri Gram Sadak Yojana ya ki ba ka sarkar jela kala bu thong ban Shna ya ki Surok hakeleng ka jela na ka benta ban pensuk nya ki pait ba hakal lait kawan bat hakara karong.
See, I went to Delhi, meeting few important ministers, and especially I met the Minister of Road and Transport. We're talking about the CRF fund, and I'm very sure we will be able to get not less than 200 plus CRF fund for this current financial year. For this revamp distribution scheme, we have already submitted our detailed DPR to the ministry, and the ministry right now through REC, they are screening point by point, line by line, our DPR, and maybe very soon we'll be able to know exactly how much they are going to sanction for the reformation of the distribution system in the state. No, I can't say right now. That's what we already submitted, the DPR of 2,500 crores. 2,500 crores DPR has been submitted. So I don't say that we get full amount, but for that, unless checking, screening of the DPR is completed by REC, I can't say anything on that. So ultimately, as I said to you, once REC completed their screening of the detailed DPR, then they will send to the ministry, and then we will know exactly how much sanction will be given to us. As far as the department is concerned, we are working out. You will be known. Maybe maybe after the budget session, you will be known, because this year is the celebration year till December. So many inaugurations will take place, no doubt today, and this will be dedicated to the people of the state on attaining the age of 50 years of our state. So I think that is good. And number two, I would like to share with all of you. Recently, the Honorable Minister of Rural Development, Mr. Giriraj Singh ji, we had a visual meeting with me. He reviewed the performance of our state as far as PMGSY implementation is concerned, and I would like to tell to all of you, right now in the northeastern states, we are the best performing state as far as PMGSY implementation is concerned. So phase 1 and phase 2 PMGSY, I'm telling you the target for us to complete is about 1,300 kilometers. Till today, we have completed about 1,000 kilometers. So that day, I'm telling you, the Honorable Union Minister, Rural Development himself, he praised the performance made by the state government. And now we are approaching to the phase 3 of the PMGSY again. Hopefully, by the end of this financial year, by the start of the new financial year, 22-23, the target again for this is about 1,250 kilometers of PMGSY in the state, upgradation of the existing road. So I've already instructed my secretary, chief engineers of the PUD to work day and night and make sure that the target is met at the earliest possible.